I hope that you found the example in the previous module quite useful in terms of understanding cohesion and how to bring about cohesion in a text. Now let's look at some examples of grammatical cohesion and how we can teach it to our students. Grammatical cohesion means how we make the use of certain grammatical choices to bring harmony and coherence in the text. So we can make the use of pronouns and possessive reference. You may have noticed in the previous example that growing pressure on people in there. Now there refers, possessive reference refers to people, 50s and 60s. Again, it there refers to the old people, I mean the people who are growing, who are in their 50s and 60s. Although you may have noticed in the previous module the use of various lexical repetition, grandparents, grandchildren, sons, daughters, and there were certain, like as I have shown here, certain grammatical pronouns which were used to bring to maintain grammatical cohesion throughout the text. Then we can use the use of article a, an, or the. We can teach our students how they offer anaphoric reference in the text. And then the tense agreement, you may, again, if you revisit or watch again the previous module, you will see that the past predominates in that particular text. So would or meant or were worried. So this is how the writer has brought about grammatical cohesion in that particular text. Apart from that, we can teach our students to use some linkers, some linking words, which bring about grammatical cohesion. For example, in addition to, moreover, furthermore, and then the comparative linguistic choices, for example, however, on the other hand, although, yet, then of result, therefore, consequently, conclusively, thus. Then we can teach them of time, first, second, then, later, after. So these choices actually help bring about grammatical cohesion in a particular text. Then we can teach various ways of bringing about grammatical cohesion in a text, which is the substitution and ellipsis. If you look at these examples put in this slide, he shouldn't have cheated in his exam, but he did so because he was desperate to get into university. Here I have put did in the capitals for you, just to show that how it replaces the action committed by a particular person and how this brings about this reference brings about grammatical cohesion in the text. Then let's look at the second example. Penny was introduced to a famous author, but even before he had recognized him. Again, she, the use of she, even before. So these substitutes actually avoid, through the use of substitute, we avoid monotony, we avoid repetition, and we bring about grammatical cohesion.